So in WordPress, if you face a specific problem, then you may want to go ahead and ask it out or post that somewhere so that someone can reply it. In that case, what you can actually do is utilize WordPress forms. So if you want to go ahead and access WordPress forms, you can simply go ahead, let's say for example, on a new browser tab and type in wordpress.com right here, just like this, and type in forms right here after slash and press enter. So once you go ahead and do that, you get access to the forms page right here. And you can see like there are several topics. Let's say for example, use artificial intelligence in WordPress forms, there's new wordpressforms.com and so forth right here. Let's say for example, if I were to go around and search for, let's say pictures right here, just like this, and search, then you get picture related topics around over here. So there's gallery related topics right here and so forth. So if you want to go ahead and ask something specific, then what you can actually also do is go to add new topic. And then what happens is that you can go ahead and then add in the topic title, so that what you can do is you can post a form and someone can reply to it as well. So it's a community of people who are using WordPress who can help each other out. And that is how you can go ahead and access out forms inside of WordPress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.